Word of the day is remorse. REMORSE, remorse. It is a noun which means a feeling of sadness as you have done something wrong. For example, she was full of remorse on what she did. It means she did something wrong and she was feeling guilty. Remorse. Now let's talk about some vocab contextual meanings. Here is an exercise before you. Take the correct meanings of the words in red color. Number 1. The sweltering heat. The word is sweltering and the options are wet, cooling, blistering, pleasant. Number 2. Ambling across. The word is ambling and the options are running, sauntering, jogging, slithering. Number 3. A time of vague optimism. The word is vague and the options are fashionable, unclear, excited, lazy. Number 4. A thing of curiosity. The word is curiosity and the options are brightness, boredom, wisdom, interest. And the last one is when Dracula was reduced to dust. The word is dust and the options are finished, swallowed, regulated, controlled. Now let's discuss some vocab contextual meanings. Number 1 is the sweltering heat and the word is sweltering. The correct option is blistering, which means extremely and uncomfortably hot. Number 2. Ambling across. The word is ambling and the correct option is sauntering, which means to walk in a slow and relaxed way. Number 3. A time of vague optimism and the correct option is unclear, which means not clear. Number 4. A thing of curiosity. The word is curiosity, which means interest and the correct option is interest. Last one. When Dracula was reduced to dust. The word is dust, which means finished, to become worthless or useless. Now let's discuss question answers of chapter number 1. An eventful summer. Describe the people of Maycomb. Now, how are the people of Maycomb? Maycomb is a sleepy little town. Maycomb is a sleepy little town with people who move slowly because they are not in a hurry to get anywhere, they don't have money and are not interested in leaving the town as well. When did the children's parents meet? The children's father met the children's mother while he was elected to state legislature. We have discussed earlier that Graham was the name of Scout's mother before marriage and she was from Montgomery. She died when Scout was 2. What was so interesting about the Redley place? The children believed that the Redley place was haunted. How did Jem and Scout usually spend their days? Scout and Jem usually spend their days playing outside in the safe zone between 2 doors to the north and 3 doors to the south till California called them back. We discussed earlier that California was a strict woman, but Scout's father always favored her. Why was Jem impressed by Dell? Yes, of course. Jem was impressed by Dell because he had seen Dracula the film, whereas neither Jem nor Scout had any access to popular films. Do you think the 3 children became good friends? Yes, the children became good friends because they were all interested in enacting plays from popular books. Thus, the uneventful summer turned into an eventful summer. Based on what you have read about Dil, what kind of person do you think he is? We can say that Dil was an important person for both Scout and Jem. His sudden appearance changed the whole situation, uneventful to eventful. Dil was from Meridian, Mississippi. He was spending the summer with his aunt, Miss Rachel, in Maycomb. He was a curiosity for both Scout and Jem. Dil was an interesting person who was not afraid of ghosts, liked plays and enacting in them. He was also open to play any role in the drama, like the ones Scout did not like to play. Do you think Dil brought a change to Jem and the narrator's summer? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, of course. We have read the chapter and have seen that before meeting Dil, Jem and Scout were getting bored. They were afraid of the Radley place and believed that it was haunted. In the end of the story, what we see? Till Dil appeared, the narrator only spoke about how boring, dull, and uneventful the summer was. But when Dil appeared, things started happening. First, his introduction was a dramatic one. Then he had seen the film Dracula, which Jem approved. Finally, all three of them spent the summer in what Scout called routine contentment, enacting plays out of books that Scout, Jem, and Dil liked. In the end of the story, we see that all the three kids became friends, and thus the summer became eventful.